Apple has done it again. The Apple Vision is not just another gadget, it might be the device that finally replaces your iPhone. Imagine living in a world where your apps, your messages, and even your entertainment aren't on a screen in your hand, but floating right in front of your eyes. Sounds crazy? Well, this is exactly what Apple Vision is bringing to life. With Apple Vision, you're no longer tapping on glass. You're controlling apps with your eyes, your hands, and even your voice. Want to watch a movie? The entire wall becomes your cinema. Need to FaceTime? It feels like the person is right there in the room with you. And yes, you can still text, scroll, and even work, but without ever pulling out your phone. Apple Vision combines mixed reality, spatial computing, and AI integration, all packed into one sleek headset. It's designed to make your iPhone and even your MacBook feel outdated. But here's the big question. Is this really the future, or just another overpriced Apple experiment? The starting price alone is shocking, over $3,000. And not everyone is ready to wear a headset all day. Some critics say it's too heavy, too expensive, and too early for mass adoption. Still, remember how people once said the iPhone was unnecessary? Fast forward, and now it's the most essential device in the world. Apple Vision could follow the same path. Apple is betting that in just a few years, this device could replace your iPhone, your TV, and even your laptop. Imagine attending class, working from home, or traveling the world, without ever needing a traditional screen again. And with future models expected to get smaller, cheaper, and more powerful, Apple Vision might be the biggest shift in tech since the first iPhone launched in 2007. So, what do you think? Is Apple Vision the beginning of a new tech era, or just an expensive toy for the rich? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you want to stay ahead of the latest tech trends, don't forget to subscribe to the News Club for more viral updates.